Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we thought we'd get you ready for the weekend a little bit early, or for those of you all who are going to go to that board meeting, or you got a function to go out to and you're going to be dressing to impress, then this might be the watch face for you people. A nice chronograph watch face called Mesha Free Daytona Classic Chronometer. This one is nice. I like this one. It's a nice going out watch face. I like the theme of it all. I like the few dials that it gives you. I think the developer and detail made this one look really nice. Now you get your battery information. Of course, you get your seconds, your hour in these dials. And it looks classic and traditional. I like that it has a smooth second hand going around the bezel of the watch, and it has a touch of elegance as well so far as the indexes go. I like this. This is really nice. Now, in always on mode, it has an even better look once it's dimmed down. So if you're out and you're in a low light lit place, this watch face is going to show just right, people. Listen, check this one out in the Gear Manager store. This one is free for the taking as well. If you're not going to go out, you're not going to a business meeting tomorrow, day after tomorrow, listen, put this in your lineup for the weekend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, people, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.